lot more. So rest assured that we're here for you. We are here to change the way we do trucking in Jamaica.
Think of Nuff Loads as simple as this. It's a virtual complex where truckers hang out. If you can think of every trucker or every truck that you could imagine you have a need for, a flatbed, a wrecker, a dump truck, a box truck, reefer, whatever it is, and all these truckers are parked somewhere waiting on you to find them.
Right.
You just walk into this big complex and you be like, I need you, I need a dump truck, come. That is what Nuff Loads is. It's put all those trucks in the palm of your hand.